Once upon a time, you were rich. Not because you worked hard. Not because you saved. But because, you had a shiny rock. This, is your rock. And everyone agrees, it's very important. Because it's shiny. Because it's rare. And because some monkey yelled, this rock means we're rich. And everyone else just nodded. So, to keep things simple, the tribe said. 1 banana equals 1 banana. But also, 1 banana equals this much gold. Because obviously, we need to complicate things. You want to buy a treehouse. Bring a bag of rocks. You want to invade another treehouse. Also, bring rocks. But then, humans showed up. And they said, wow, carrying rocks is hard. Let's use this. It's paper. But wait. It's not just paper. It's a receipt for a rock that lives in a vault, somewhere, we think. So now, you don't need the rock. You just need to believe the rock exists. Even if you've never seen it. Even if nobody's seen it. Even if the vault is guarded by a dragon made of debt. But one day, someone asked. Hey, what if we printed more paper than we have rocks? And someone else said. So now, we have paper. Lots of it. More than bananas. More than trees. More than ideas. A banana costs 1. Then 5. Then 27. Then, your soul. So if you feel poorer today. If your banana doesn't buy what it used to. It might be because your money is just a vibe. And the rock? It's still shiny. But now, it just sits there, judging us. You're not poor because you're lazy. You're poor. Because we left the rock behind.